Hello friends, good evening. Myself Jay Shah, and today we'll just write the small alphabets. I'll show you the basics of the small alphabets in a cursive way, that means in a slant way. Okay. So before you start, you see this is the sheet and this is the angle in which we will write. Okay, about 55-degree angle we will use. And for A, what are the strokes? Okay, what are the strokes needed for the A? You see this one, then this one, two, then this one. But they should be in the same angle. You see this angle, when it is rising above, they should be in the same angle. That means when you join all these things, it will become like this. Okay, now see one thing, this is the angle, same angle we are writing parallel to the angles made. Okay. That means when you will write, these things are not much important, but when you know one thing, these strokes are different in every alphabet, but the basic strokes are upstroke, downstroke, oval and curves. Okay, I will not go for that. In a simple way you learn it. Just see it, upstroke from here, downstroke from here, upstroke from here, downstroke and upstroke. Okay, first when you will write, the angles will be like this way or this way. It's not a problem. Okay, but when you will just practice it by seeing and writing, then gradually it will change like this. Very slowly you write. Okay, then you will like this. Okay, this one will happen when you write. Okay, we got the A. Now coming to the B, it will be like this. It will start from this part, corner, go up, same thing like the B, A. It will be just a little bit above to the header. Just when you go for the B, remember when you go down, go straight, and when you reach this part, the X side, turn it and turn it and turn it. When you just go like this part, always remember this part will be parallel to this angle, okay, made on the paper. Few people just, when you just start, it will just like be this. The gaps will be not okay, this part will not be okay, there will be corners like this. Okay, it will happen, but just follow the angles made on the paper. Okay, then it will be very easy for you. Start here, right, slowly go up, go down very slowly, and like this. Okay, so this is the B. You can also write like this. This is the angle made. Very simple way to write B is like this. You can also write like this, the cursive B. Okay, very easy. But maintain the angles, the curves, these parts. Okay, these parts. And there is no round up from here to here. This one I like, but this one is very simple. Try to write this. Okay, I am showing you again this one. It will start from here, go down, up and like this. Okay, this part will be parallel to this angle made on the paper. Okay, and when you will just go right from here, this part will be oval shaped. Okay, I am writing in a bigger way. You see, I am giving a bigger oval like this. This part will be a big way, the oval. Try to maintain the oval shapes. Okay, and now going lastly to the C. For C is very easy. This is the stroke, and this one will become this. In many YouTube videos you will see that they are writing this plus this and this. They are very tricky. Don't go for that. Okay, in a simple way, just see it how it goes. Maintain the angle. This is the X side, and if you have not followed my video, just once follow my video. What is the X side? You will learn very easily. Okay, this is the X side. I am just going for this. This is the X side. Starting from this corner of the deep part, you see. Zooming it out, how will you write? Don't go for such strokes. Okay, they will just scare you. Okay, just be very easy. Start from here, give a curve like this. This one will be an angle. We call it the half moon curve. And from here, above here, just touch it here and go like this. First this part will go bad, but when you will just write and practice, make this part beautiful. Go like this and end it like this, so that one equal to sign goes inside it. That is the gap of the C. Let's write again. Okay, it's the most simple way. Don't go for such strokes and all that. Writing the C is very easy. Go here, and like this. Equal to sign goes. Okay. So let me write the A, B, C for you today, and the D will be on the next video. Okay, it's very easy. You just see and practice, then you will know. And if you want the sheets, you can contact me. Okay, I will just share you my number. You see the A, the B, and the C. Okay, just follow it, write it, practice it, and on my next video, please follow, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can always follow me. Thank you, take care, good night. You see, again I am showing you this. See how it looks. When you will just follow this thing, your handwriting will be just like this. Good night, thank you.